From Lower Dir to Lahore, from Shangla to Sargodha, Khyber to Karachi, Pakistanis all over the country took to the streets today to demand the release of the unjustly incarcerated former Prime Minister and founding chairman of PTI, Mr. Imran Khan, as well as the return of their stolen mandate. The controversial government of Punjab rounded up PTI workers in Lahore who were attending a protest rally. However, despite 2 years of continued naked fascism, the brave workers of PTI continued to call for the release of Imran Khan, even from inside the prison vans. Justice, humanity, self-esteem. 28 years ago, the vision and ideology of one man started a movement that has transformed the nation's ethos. Imran Khan started his political party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, the movement for justice, on April 25, 1996, with a handful of supporters. Over the course of nearly 3 decades, the former Prime Minister has seen several setbacks, but what is undeniable is that even after 265 days of unjust incarceration, Imran Khan is the epitome of resistance, hope, and strength that attracts his supporters like bees to honey. Pakistanis took to social media amid state oppression to pay tribute to 28 years of struggle of their national hero. The US State Department has released their report about Pakistan's disastrous human rights situation. The report includes ISI's use of wiretaps, monitored cell phone calls, and intercepted electronic correspondence. It states that the government used technology to arbitrarily or unlawfully surveil or interfere with the privacy of individuals. The government also used technology and practices, including internet and social media controls, blocking or filtering of websites and social media platforms, censorship, and tracking methods. The report details PEMRA's imposed ban on former Prime Minister Imran Khan's coverage after his speech in Lahore, where he alleged that the former army chief was behind his removal from power in April of 2022. The report also mentions following the ban, PEMRA further suspended the licenses of TV channels that were perceived to report on Imran Khan and his political party, and that PEMRA issued a list of pro-PTI individuals and journalists prohibiting their appearance on television. The role of Pakistan's judiciary during the last 2 years of extreme human rights violations in Pakistan was highlighted in the report. Quote, Constitution provided for the right to free speech and a free press. The law permitted citizens to criticize the government publicly or privately, but court decisions interpreted the Constitution as prohibiting criticism of the military and judiciary. End quote. Over the past week, universities across the US have seen a growing number of students walk out of class in protest against Israel's genocide in Gaza, with a number of encampments now in place at colleges, including Columbia, Yale, and New York University. Police have been called into several campuses to arrest peaceful, unarmed demonstrators. Across campuses where protests have broken out, students have issued calls for a permanent ceasefire in Gaza, an end to U.S. military assistance for Israel, university divestment from arms suppliers and other companies profiting from the war, and an amnesty for students and faculty members who have been disciplined or fired for protesting.